Hello, this is Ring Ring. Welcome to the Software Architecture Learning Journal by Kotlin's series. In this series, I'll be sharing what I've learned about software architecture using Kotlin. In this video, I'll be explaining the Toto app that serves as the focus of this series. This Toto app is a simple application that includes basic Toto operations and password authentication. You can create, update, delete, and view a list of Totos. Some corners were cut and error handling is implemented minimally. The server side is implemented using Core, while the front end is implemented using Compose for Web. I'll be sharing insights on software architecture learned from the server-side implementation. The front end serves for functional testing. By the way, there's some fun in using Compose for Web. Initially, you'll see the login screen. From there, you can navigate to the sign-in screen to create a new account. Upon successful login, you'll transition to the Toto list. Clicking on a Toto will take you to its detailed view. You can create a new Toto by clicking the plus button at the bottom right. You can navigate to My Page from the top navigation bar. From there, you can log out, edit user information, or withdraw. Let's take a look at the screens after navigation. The top part is the Toto edition and editing screen. The bottom part includes the confirmation screen for withdrawal and user information editing. A confirmation screen similar to withdrawal appears when logging out. That concludes the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more content on the software architecture learning with Kotlin. Until then, happy coding.